Hey folks, RV Fix here. Today I'm going to show you a hack that I use for my heaters in the trailer. Now this I got off of eBay, and there's several different types. There's one that's mounted to the wall and it's got a remote. I like this one because it's got almost 10 foot of temperature probe wire that comes with it. So the beauty of the temperature probe is I can put that wherever I want in the camper. Usually I put it about a foot from the external wall and up about 2 or 3 feet off of the floor. That gives you a lot more even temperature reading in the rig than just the little thermostat. Just the little thermostat that's actually mounted on the heater. It has a heating plug and a cooling plug on it. So I plug my heater into it. You can see the two readouts. The bottom readout is the temperature that it is in the room, and the top digits are the ones that's your temperature that has been set. There are several more advantages to this. I can actually set the temperature to exactly what I want, obviously. (64.9). So I can run that up or down within tenths of a degree. And inside of the programming, you can choose how wide you want your variance. I think I'm at 1.5 degrees. 1.1 degrees. So that's my heat differential. So my room is only changing by 1 degree and a tenth. I'm going to take that up a little bit. And that's all that my room varies. There are several models of this. They've got another one that only has the heating option, and this one has a cooling option, and I'll go into that in a second. This is rated at 15 amps. So it's fine for running a 1500 watt heater. This has an internal fuse on it, so that limits it at 15 amps at these outlets. Okay, so let's go into the cooling aspect of it. One of the really neat things is once it gets the room up to temperature, it turns the heater off, obviously. But if it gets up another couple of degrees, whatever we set the settings at on the control panel, I can plug a fan into it, and the fan will actually start running when it gets too hot. A great thing for us pet owners to help keep the trailer more comfortable for our pets. So one other thing about the thermostat on top of the heater. When I'm running it on the digital temperature control, I always run my thermostat on the top of the heater, not wide open and not anywhere down in the lower regions, because I want it to always kick on. But I'll run it about 1/8 of the way down so that this thermostat is still working, and if it gets too hot inside of this box, it will cool down. It will actually turn off and cool down, because we don't want this to get overheat. That's all I've got for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this content here on RV Fix, and please hit subscribe and like, and even hit the bell so you'll know when I put on new content. Thanks a lot. Bye.